Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and the 4th of July is right around the corner. So I thought I would hop on and share with you all how to make one of these adorable Liberty crowns. These may look familiar to you. You may have seen them at maybe a football game or homecoming, but they're the perfect accessory for the 4th of July, and everything you need can be found at the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree has out all kinds of seasonal flowers and an entire wall dedicated to just flowers in different colors for every season. After I picked out my flowers, I headed over to the seasonal department for some garland. If you can't find it there, take a look back near the birthday section. We're also going to need some curling ribbon, and you can find all kinds and colors back near the wrapping paper. They even have small packages of 5 different colors. Now that I've got my supplies, I'm headed home to start on the crown. At the Dollar Tree, I found this star garland in red, white, and blue, and some patriotic daisies also in the red, white, and blue. I could have picked up one of these small packs of 5 different color curling ribbons, but I'm going to be making quite a few, so I picked up this silver, red, and blue ribbon. You'll also need some scissors and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is to unravel your garland. They do a good job at winding it up, so you've got to untangle it so that you can open it up and begin to make your crown. Now you're going to want to start making a circle. Make sure that it does fit the top of your head, and then go around about 3 or 4 times until you have the perfect size crown. And then you'll be ready to cut your wire. Now I take one end and I wrap it around part of the crown, and then I pull the other end and wrap it around the other side of the crown. This just helps secure the strands together, give it a little twist. Now we're ready for our flowers. So you're going to take the leaves off your flowers, make sure to remove any small plastic pieces, lay your leaf flat, and then you're going to put some hot glue at the edge of each leaf where they meet. Then you're going to place your crown right in the middle and pinch those leaves together carefully so that you don't burn yourself. And now we're going to get our flower. Go right ahead and pull your flowers off of the stems. I like to turn the petals so that you see more of them. And now we're going to get rid of that little nub on the bottom by cutting it off. You're going to put a little bit of hot glue right in the center of those leaves, and then secure your flower to it carefully for a few seconds till the glue dries. Now you can continue the process, placing your flowers in an alternating pattern, putting on as many or as few as you like. Once you've put on as many flowers as you want, it's time to move on to attaching our ribbon to the back of our crown. So I like ribbon. I like a lot of ribbon. So I do 2 or 3 generous pulls and cut. I repeat the process 3 times for each color. Once you've gotten all of your ribbon cut from all of your different colors, it's time to match them up in the center. So you're just going to line them all up and make sure you're in the center of all your ribbon. Now you're going to place your ribbon underneath your crown, pull the loop up and over, and then thread the bottom of the ribbon through that hole. Now you can secure it once you have it in the center of your crown in the back. Now you could stop here, but once my ribbon was secured, I decided to take my scissors and go through curling each strand of ribbon until they were all curled. All told, it took me probably 5 minutes to put together this fun little Liberty crown, perfect for the 4th of July. I think these are great to make ahead of time, especially if you're going to be attending or hosting an event. I'm sure that if you made a bunch of them, they would be a big hit. We are making them for the 4th of July, but you could make these for any occasion. Birthday parties, holidays, the possibilities are endless. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how we put together these fun and inexpensive crowns using things from the Dollar Tree. They are really inexpensive and fast and easy to make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.